What's up guys, Cody over here at Form First Fitness, just giving you another garage tutorial of a tricep bench dip. So a cue I was given when I first started lifting in high school was actually to rotate the hands to put a little less pressure and stress on that shoulder, that anterior delt. So what I want you guys doing is turning the thumb so that it is parallel to the stitching or the edge of the bench that you're using. From there, you are going to walk the feet forward and we are going to lift the toes, pressing only from the heels. Then we're going to squeeze those shoulder blades so that we have a nice flat back. From there, you are going to drop that butt as those elbows come out just a little bit. Try to go as low as you can, then pressing from the palm to return back to that start position. Once again, keep that back nice and tight, flat and close to the edge of the bench. We have the toes up, we're pressing from the heels as we then fully extend those elbows. Find a nice smooth tempo and try to get your reps in. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.